will tell Nnamdi Kanu to drop Biafran agitation, Orji Uzor Kalu says, beg Buhari to pardon and set him free from detention. Senator Chief Whip and a former governor of Abia State, Senator Orji Uzor Kalu, has pleaded with the federal government to grant the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the privilege to be free from detention. Kalu further stated that negotiations for the return and free of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu would also include him renouncing of the secessionist plan of creating a new country called Biafra. Kanu made the appeal on Tuesday morning, responding to the question from the news agency of Nigeria, NAN. He also raised concerns about journalists publishing unverified stories about him, adding that several media houses have continued to spread rumors and misquote his statement. The Senate Chief Whip, who gave an instance of his online interview where he mentioned that he would turn Nigeria to a 21st century if had a chance to lead the country, said that some bloggers misquoted him to have mentioned the 20th century. He said, I am a friend of the press, but it is time they leave me alone. You can't just publish news about me without verification. We have many good journalists in the country, but several others want to sell their papers and stories with sensational headlines. How can you rewrite the 21st century to 20th century just to sell your news? While responding to questions on the recent altercations between members of IPOB with security personnel in Enugu recently, Kalu said he is an ardent believer of unified Nigeria. He added, Nigerians are so entangled with each other that we can't talk about separation. We are a united country and our focus should be on taking advantage of our population to build a more robust economy. We have reached a point where all Nigerians should be canvassing for strong institutions where rule and orders are observed, where the hardware and software components of a democratic nation are comprehensively promoted. If the federal government permits me, I will go to the DSS custody and negotiate with Nnamdi Kanu. I'm sure he will abandon Biafra, Kanu claims. Who told you? Who told you that? See, do you know the number of torture Nnamdi Kanu have received in that detention? Yet, is still very much focused on the struggle. Didn't you get the last report from the DSS, where the DSS officials were seen confessing that they haven't seen this kind of person before? That despite the torture they have administered on Nnamdi Kanu, yet Nnamdi Kanu kept getting stronger in his belief for Biafran struggle. It is you that want to go and get convinced because you are one-time governor of his own state, of Nnamdi Kanu state. You are a failure. You are a failure. All of you, you have hidden agenda. Both you, Uzodimma, Okorocha, Umahi, all of you have hidden agenda. And that agenda is to favor yourselves, your family. You don't care about the people. It's just you only care for yourselves. Look at someone who is not a governor, who is just an indigene, but a prince, but a prince doing what you governors cannot be able to do. Doing what you governors cannot be able to do. All the way from the UK. See what Nnamdi Kanu is doing for the Easterners. But you people that are very close to the people, who the people voted for, you cannot be able to do anything for the people. Shame on you. You're a disappointment. You're a bunch of disappointments. I'm completely disappointed in all of you. Why wouldn't the people believe in Nnamdi Kanu? Why won't the people have trust in Nnamdi Kanu? Why won't they? Of course they will. Definitely they will. Because why? Because Nnamdi Kanu is doing what they want. Because Nnamdi Kanu has been standing by them. He has been supporting them. In good time and in bad time, he stood by them. Look at the period of COVID-19. See what Nnamdi Kanu did. See what he did. Yeah? What he did, no governor was able to do it. What he did, no governor was able to do it. All the way from the UK, he provided palliative for the Easterners, even when the federal government refused to do anything for the Easterners because they said that they are agitating for Biafran freedom. So for that reason, none of the palliative will surely go to them. Did they worry? They didn't worry because they know they have times 10 of that palliative that is in those warehouses. Which Nigerians know. So what are we saying? What are we talking about? So you better don't even make that move because Nnamdi Kanu will not give you a listening ear. Do you think you can bribe Nnamdi Kanu? Who are you? From where? You can't. You can't. You better look for elsewhere because it won't give you a listening ear. People who are stronger than you have tried. They have tried their best, they didn't succeed. It is you that want to give it a try. Go on. Let's see if he will listen to you. Go on, let's see if he will listen to you. He said if Buhari will permit you, you will go to the detention and talk to Nnamdi Kanu. You're very sure he will listen to you. Okay now. Some persons are just full of useless courage. Useless courage. Courage for themselves and not for the people. And not for the people. My dear viewers, for how long are these going to continue? For how long are we going to continue with this shit? For how long? It's a disappointment though. A very big disappointment. I never believed that we'll be doing this. Never believed. Orji Uzor Kalu. Oh. See, God is so merciful. He's a merciful God though. Because if not that God is merciful, all these politicians would have been wiped off. They would have been wiped off long time ago because the atrocities is just too much. God is just being patient. He's just being patient with all of this rubbish that they're doing. You think that God doesn't know what he's doing? You think that God is not watching them? God is just being patient, waiting for the right time to strike. Look at the case of Kafarati. Can't you see what is happening to Kafarati? Hey, I dey laugh. Yes, I dey laugh. That is the statement of Obasanjo. Let me hear from you, my dear viewers in the house, based on this very matter. If you're new, don't forget to leave your comment below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.